Bradbourne Hall is a privately owned 17th-century country house at Bradbourne, near Ashbourne, Derbyshire. It is a Grade II * listed building. The Church of All Saints at Bradbourne was in the ownership of the Dunstable Priory from 1278 until it was forfeited to the Crown in the 16th century at the time of the dissolution of the Monasteries. The former glebe lands of some 260 acres, 1.1 square kilometers, and the advowson of All Saints were purchased by George Buxton in 1609. He replaced the old vicarage with the present house for his own occupation. Built in limestone, the three-story entrance front has 4 irregular bays, 3 gables, and irregular mullioned windows, and was the home of the Buxton/Buckston family for 200 years. George Buxton, died 1810, changed the spelling of the family surname. His son Rev George Buckston was vicar of Bradbourne 1803 to 1826, and his son Rev German Buckston succeeded in that position, which he held until 1861. The latter married Ellen Ward, daughter of the vicar of Sutton on the Hill. When he succeeded his father-in-law in 1834, the family moved to Sutton. The Bradbourne house was then let out. Tenants included Col David Wilkie and until 1910 archaeologist Albert Hartshorne FSA. The house was sold Hodson in the 1920s when it was altered and extended.